Okay, good day. In this video, we're going to learn how to determine the coterminal angles given a specific value of an angle on the xy plane. Okay, let us first define how an angle will be coterminal. Okay, it says two angles are coterminal if and only if their measures differ by 360 k. Ibig sabihin, k is an element of an integer. So, magiging coterminal lang sila kapag ang ang difference of these two angles is 360 times k. Again, k is an element of an integer. Okay? Positive number, negative number, and zero. Okay, let us take for example, ito, para mas maintindihan kung paano ba kukunin ang coterminal angles. Find the angle coterminal with negative 380 degrees that has measure between 0 degree and 360 degrees, and number 2 between negative 360 degrees and 0 degrees. Alam natin na yung negative 380 degrees is on the xy plane, considering the xy plane in angle in standard position. The rotation done to this angle, to produce this angle, is a clockwise direction, starting from the positive x-axis. So this negative 380 degrees will fall down on the fourth quadrant of our xy plane. So what we're going to do is to determine an angle coterminal to negative 380, and it should lie between 0 degree and 360 degrees, and number 2, it should lie between negative 360 degrees and 0 degrees. So, illustrate natin. Mamaya natin solve using this concept of coterminal angles. So, we have this one. Okay. X, this is Y. So, your negative 380 degrees, it completes a one revolution. So, we have one and this one. So, naandito yung ating negative 380 degrees. Okay? So, may difference din ng 20 degrees. Okay? Ito yung ating 20 degrees. Okay. Let us answer number 1. Solution natin. Just by looking on our illustration, we can determine an angle between 0 to 360 that is coterminal to negative 380 degrees. So again, our measurement for this angle that is coterminal to negative 380 should be an angle in standard position. So ibig sabihin, ang kukunin natin ay ito. Ano yun? So that will be 360 minus 20. So therefore, our answer just by looking on our illustration is 340 degrees. Okay? So is this angle between 0 to 360? Yes. So therefore, this is correct. And using this concept, we can also answer question number 1, which is an angle coterminal to negative 380 and lies between 0 to 360. How? Sabi, they differ by 360k. And negative 380 is more than one complete revolution. So we're talking about k equals 2 because this is greater than one complete revolution. We cannot use k equals 1. Okay? And also we're talking about angle between 0 to 360. So if we're going to use k equals 1, it will result to a negative angle. Okay, kunin natin difference. Difference of this and the angle coterminal of this. The difference is negative 380 plus na lang. Okay? 360 times k. Your k is 2. Because this is more than one revolution. Okay? So, k will be equal to 2. So, 360 times 2 is 720. So, 720 minus 380 is, of course, 340 degrees. So, therefore, we get the same answer. Angle 40 degrees. Okay? So, parehas ang sagot natin. Okay? How about number 2? Okay, number 2, solution natin. So, dapat yung ating sagot is between negative 360 and 0. Pag negative 360 and 0, counterclockwise direction, clockwise direction yung angle na tinutukoy natin. Papunta ron. That is negative 360. Right? So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin dapat between these two. Makikita naman natin ang sagot natin na coterminal siya. That is negative 20 degrees. Okay? Kapag ganito ang sukat. And that direction is clockwise, so therefore 20 is negative. So just by looking at our illustration, we can determine an angle coterminal to negative 380 and between negative 360 to 0. And that is negative 20 degrees. That is our answer. Okay. Coterminal siya. They have the same terminal side. Kaya sila coterminal. How about using this concept? Now, ang kailangan natin dito ay value of k. And since we're talking about negative 360 to 0, it doesn't complete a one revolution. Kasi papaganito ang ikot clockwise. So therefore, using this concept, we have negative 380 plus 360 times 1. Kasi papaganito. Okay? At saka between negative 380, between negative 360 and 0. So negative 380 plus 360 is negative 20 degrees. So therefore, we got the same answer. Itong naunang ito, just by looking on our illustration, itong dalawang ito, by referring to the concept of terminal angles. Okay? The terminal angles are coterminal if and only if their degree measures differed by 360k, where k is an element of an integer. So that will be the end of our discussion about coterminal angles. Thank you.